And we are...
Oh wait, I'm supposed to be looking at him and I'm kind of looking at you.
You're not nervous, are you?
Yeah.
And then also, I see you swiveling a little bit. Sorry, I think I got nervous.
That way you probably won't swivel.
Let's hope, man. That's hard.
Just say it and then spell.
Ready? Okay, well, my name is Alexei Lima. It spells, hold on, that's the way you want it, right? I mean, it's the first time I do this.
Should we be looking at that camera or each other? Okay.
I felt so lame.
What was the question?
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
Yeah.
Say it again.
Oh my god. What was the question again?
Okay, what am I answering again?
I'm trying to think of what to, like, how to word this.
Go out, see Portland Headlight. You know, it's the most photographed lighthouse.
Cut. All right, let me know when you're ready. Oh, it's always on. Fantastic.
Welcome to Harrisburg!
All right, on 3, you'll be...
Do we try to do this in one take, by the way?
I'm sorry. Please keep my controls.
I honestly don't know how to answer that question.
Yeah, so...
Well, that's a tough one.
So, Ram.
Good afternoon and welcome to Flight 5756 to San Francisco.
Alright,
And if you are importing with the flight, you are only permitted one person.
Just waiting for the announcement to go off.
Yeah.
Imagine hearing it 20 times.
Yeah, do you have it memorized?
I used to have the old one memorized.
Let me just repeat that one more time. Sorry.
Oh gosh, I have to remember what I said.
Let's do that one more time.
Got it. I don't want to have to do this 15 times.
Alright, go ahead. You got it. First question, 3 times.
Hey Ben, you call me.
Every day is different. There's not a lot of spontaneity. Can we cut? Because I don't know how to say words.
Each person here brings their own individual, sorry.
Oh, you're good.
I probably said a lot of
I'm sorry, like, if I'm sounding like awful with my voice, or I'm like trying to come up with an answer in the top of my head.
Yeah.
Behind the scenes, here we are. Lunch.
We have, bless you.
What do you think makes your dad a good pilot?
Oh, gosh, especially with him standing right there.
Is this just me? Does everyone have to do it multiple times?
I just heard a phone vibrate.
That was mine, I think. Fix some jelly bananas.
Here's some ticking noise.
Sorry.
Oh, I forgot to repeat the question.
Yeah, no, you're good.
It's making it a lot more fun. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm messing up the tenses here.
You're fine. No, you're fine.
I can't even talk. I can't even think. Something that's out of whack. I need to retake. Oh, it's on camera. It's just so difficult.
We've got this giant star with neon bulbs on it, and you can actually see it from the airport, which is that direction, which you guys can't see. But that was stupid, wasn't it? This is why I tried to get others to do this.
American Flyer School in Ardmore, Oklahoma. At this point, I'm about to take Oklahoma out.
I can redo that.
Can I start over?
So should I just start the whole question
you're
over?
fine.
Sorry, I'll restart that.
Do you want me to start again in the beginning?
That's good. I think we're good.
You can edit. You guys are gonna have to chop it out.
You know a picture of the dead bird?
Beautiful mountains, there's dead bird behind you.
What?
Dead bird. Dead bird.
Look at that. Things we see.
This is Matthew French, he, they pronouns, Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Manager with Piedmont Airlines. And that's I'll see you later.
Great. Oh my god.